At AffordableMedicalUSA.com, Mobility Solutions, we have a repair to do. On a Harmar AL301XL Hitch-Mounted mobility lift, it appears this lift has seen better days. A glance at the work ticket list, a damaged cradle, and a worn-out cam. Let's check in with Brandon and see what's going on.
Hey, this is Brandon with Mobility Solutions. We are doing a replacement on this Harmar AL301XL. They hit a fence.
It's hitting the fence.
So we're gonna put a new cradle on right here. So we're just gonna take it off. 3/4 inch. You wanna loosen up these bigger bolts up here, loosen them up, and then you wanna get to these 9/16 bolts and Allen keys on the back end. Just loosen them up, that's what all you want. You don't want to take them off. These are pretty rusted, so hopefully they come right off. Yep, this should. Oh my God. Pretty rusted, so let me get something to hold that back. Just blasting it. There he goes. And it didn't bend anything on the frame, so. There we go. Good grip on it. We gotta take these bigger bolts off, but I hope they sent this with it. We're about to find out. Sent you everything and new hardware. When they send this to you though, they'll send this cradle and then also this one. This one's not bent or anything. There's no reason to replace this one back here, but they do send them. They do send them with 2 cradles. So, you know, figure out what the customer wants to do with this, but no need to replace it on there. It's not bent. So they want to just probably keep this maybe as a backup. Doubt it'll happen again. I've never really seen this bent up like this, but so we're just getting this fixed. And you do got to take the bigger bolts completely off. Wasn't thinking that. They also send you 2 sets of these. These are the bars that we just tossed over there. They go on each side. So they'll send you 2 sets because they're sending you 2 cradles and all new hardware. Get these brackets on along with your ratchet strap. Get it started, and there you go. And we'll take another bolt, these little smaller 9/16. Bring them down here. We'll get this one started as well. You don't want to tighten any of this up. Just want to get it on there. You can tighten this the bigger one up a little bit if you want, but we're not going to do it right now. This is a tad bit bent, but we'll just have to hammer it kind of in there. All right, we'll smack this back in. It's even. All right, put this back in first. Bolt through here. Ratchet strap on there. Get it started. Let it hang. And then bring this other little bolt here. And there you go. Now, little bit of a mistake here. I didn't see exactly how far out they had it, but if I can look back here, might be able to get lucky. They had it right here and here. Looks like it's right there and there. Yeah, right there and there. So the first one, if you can line that one hole up, then you're lining that one up. So, all right, let's see. If you don't take pictures, then that's what happens. One man show here, so like so. There we go. This is like an extra extender, so I guess if you wanted to, you probably could just put this piece into here without these brackets. These are extended brackets. Well, the biggest thing, what we're really hoping is that that cam works, because when it came in, it was hitting that cam and not allowing it to fold up. So this right here is the easy part. What we're about to do is going to be hopefully the part where you don't have to replace this entire base.
Not that hard. Just so you know, if you do get in a wreck with these things, you have to replace it. You cannot fix it. Because he hit a gate, we're going to do this for him, but technically you have to replace it. Harmar sends a letter out.
And it might be the case that on this one, we don't know yet. It all depends on how this plate's going to be. Tighten this up, but you want these to be standing up. Almost at an angle, just a tad bit of an angle, not much. And there it goes. Now tighten these little 9/16 up, and we're done with this portion of the repair. I'll tell you, man, doing it with this little Allen key, it's sketchy, and it vibrates. On to the next one. Let me put some tools up.
220's out again at Golden. It's a hot scooter, man. That's why they're running out. But good news is we prepare for this. Prior preparation prevents poor performance. The 5 P's in life. If you can remember that, I can't remember it, but I will tell you, it'll help you. Shipping this to California, and I just shipped one down to Boca, somewhere down in Florida, Southwest Florida. 2 of them down to the Southwest Florida areas. Put some of this caution tape on there. It's heavy. I got 2 things actually 4 things coming that I think you're going to love. So I'm telling you, you need to subscribe to this channel, because I'm always looking for unique and the best products out there. So 4 things coming, actually could be 5. 1 big thing's coming in December. So we'll say 5 things coming in the next 3 months, but 2 things should be here maybe at the end of this month. Really cool stuff. You're gonna love it. Stay tuned. We're gonna give hugs away for free. Actually, we'll give something away. Subscribe to the channel and we'll surprise some people. So start subscribing, making comments. We're gonna do something. Bruce, love you, man.
Well, not what I want to do right here, but we're doing it. It's putting this cam on. It comes with all these 3 springs, these little spacers, and then this bolt. So we're gonna have to put this on here. These 3 springs. It's always fun when you're dealing with springs. So we need to do it first, and then after we do that and we get all that lined up, the springs lined up here, the real fun starts. That's when we got to pull this up, push this cam back, and get that bolt in here to hold that cam secure. But until then, just get this these bolts. They bring you with instructions, so it shows you exactly how it needs to go in there. First things first, we need a washer and a spacer. That's not a spacer, I think it just hangs on there. I wonder if I need to take that cam off and put it on that cam first. So let me do that. It's been, I mean, I couldn't even tell you the last time I ever done a cam switch out on any vehicle. Put that guy in like that. This is gonna go like this. So it should look like that. And then I guess you can just kind of ring it on there like a shower curtain, 1 ring at a time. So if you have it all put together, like the hooks on or the springs on, right now, this is wrong. All right, this is wrong. How this goes in right here is wrong. You're gonna have these hooks facing the opposite way. We're gonna have to take this apart and just turn these so these are facing, the opening's coming up this way, not back this way. So we're just gonna turn it the opposite way.
The guy showed me a trick to put those on. If I can remember. Oh no, I'll watch you do it. See if you have any problems.
It should go on now. Get over. Come on. And then you slide there in like so. Put your bolt in there. Now, good thing Scott's here because now he's going to show us this little trick.
Yeah. If I can remember, what was it, 2 years ago I was down there?
One guy can do it, so what you do is you're supposed to like, lift it up and then push this back.
Push it in? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep, that's it. Okay.
We're going to push it in more, right there. Not that hard. Any one person could do it, makes it a lot easier. So let's see if this folds up on its own with the new cam on there. Boom, new cam. If it's not folding up, you know, you grease that ball like on the side of the ball down there, you're probably gonna need a new cam. So sometimes that metal in the cam, after years of working, it just kind of doesn't grip on that metal, and then it just kind of bypasses. This wasn't too bad. It's been years since I've done one of these cams. Put your springs on first, this bolt in, and then if you need help, get someone to put this bolt in right here. And then you saw how we did it. Just use this pressure to push that back, and then put that bolt in, and everything's good to go. So, folds up, ready to rock and roll. Cool. Yeah, so when it came in, they had this bent up like y'all saw, and then it also would not fold up. So that's why we took it off, ordered all the parts, and did it, and so we can work on it here without holding them up, because we never know how long it's going to take when we do that kind of stuff. So, but yeah, a new cam will allow it to fold back up. And once you put the weight on here, it's going to bypass that cam 100%. It's all about, will it fold up is more the issue.
Thanks for watching today's repair video, guys. Make sure you come back to our shop videos where we do full unboxing and much more. So like and subscribe, and we will see you next time.